Here's one for you VW fans. Gauze Garage coming to you from Port Charlotte, Florida at the Peace River Car Show. And take a look. 68 VW single cab. This is very nicely done. And I imagine because it's a rare body, the value must be there, and that's why they put this kind of restoration on it, because it is really well done. Yep, got that manual shifter. Very Spartan, utilitarian, but so cool. You got the fold-out bed. I think that's VW's version of a slide-out. Now here's the best part. Take a look at this. Very, very well executed right here, boss. Anymore, after going through different car shows like this where they have large number of cars, the restorations pop out at me. And this one certainly is no exception because it's very well done. I mean, look. Even the lever has protective tape on it. Yeah. This was a purpose-built, restored, rare VW. Reminiscent of some of the Corvair machines I've seen in the same type configuration. But I don't think you see these very often. This is Gauze Garage. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful 68 VW single cab.